Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to introduce you to one of Norwex's most versatile products and probably one of my most loved, the Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster. This is a really remarkable cleaner. It harnesses the power of oxygen and enzymes to offer a really nice comprehensive solution for both our laundry problems and household cleaning jobs. So we can say goodbye to all those nasty, tough stains, maybe unpleasant odors, because this all-in-one booster works wonders on not only fabrics, but various hard surfaces throughout our house. Now, unlike traditional bleach, which I used to use all the time, bleach was limited to white fabrics and light surfaces, and bleach can be very harmful to our health. This is a bleach alternative that provides a safe and effective option. It's activated by a combination of sodium carbonate, peroxide, and water, and it delivers really potent cleaning performance. It also has 4 different enzymes in it that actively work together to eliminate a wide range of stubborn stains. But you can rest assured this is completely bleach-free, ensuring that it will not weaken our textiles or fibers or pose any harm to our delicate skin, our eyes, and our respiratory health. Additionally, it's USDA certified, which is fantastic. It has 87% bio-based ingredients from plants and other renewable resources, making it a very eco-friendly choice. To use the Bright and White, let's get into that. I want you to know all the different ways you can use this around the house and in your laundry. So to use this for your laundry, you just simply add 1 scoop to your washing machine alongside any of your favorite Norwex laundry detergents. For soaking and hand washing, you can use this too. Mix 1 scoop with either a half a scoop or a little less of Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, or 1 pump of liquid laundry detergent, or you could even use it with a strip of the Eco Wash laundry detergent strips in about 2 gallons of cold or warm water. Allow the powders to dissolve completely and then immerse your items and soak them anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours. Now, if you have some items with really pesky stains, you can create like a pre-treat paste by mixing a half a scoop of this with your preferred laundry detergent. I will typically use the Ultra Power Plus, so about a half a scoop of Ultra Power Plus plus 2 teaspoons of water. Then I will apply the paste to the stain, like a clothing stain or even my grout, which gets stained very easily. And I let it sit anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, and then I'll just rinse it off completely. The Bright and White Booster's versatility doesn't stop at laundry. As I mentioned earlier, it is highly effective for various household surfaces. To do this, I like to mix a third scoop of this with a 16 ounce of warm or cool water in a Forever sprayer bottle. Fill it up with water, mix thoroughly. I like to give it a little shake, let it dissolve, and that takes about 5 minutes. And then I will spray it on the surface and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes before wiping it away with a clean, wet or dry Norwex microfiber cloth. This really is an outstanding product. It's undergone lots of independent, rigorous third-party testing, so it's proven to be effective on a wide range of items. Get this: clothing, fabrics, carpets, upholstery, shoes, countertops, grout, all your natural stone, your tile, quartz, granite, marble, laminate is fine, stainless steel, copper, so hard to find a good cleaner for copper, ceramic and porcelain, even all the things in the bathroom, right? The sinks, the tubs, the showers, curtain liners. You can also use it on your hood and over the oven, diaper pails, garbage cans. I've used this before on pet stains and all my little Norwex cleaning brushes. So I hope this information has been valuable, providing you with an understanding of all the unique qualities and the numerous ways to use it. You really get a nice bang for your buck. So embrace the power of Bright and White and maintain a clean and fresh home without relying on those harsh chemicals. I'll talk to you soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to introduce you to one of Norwex's most versatile products and probably one of my most loved, the Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster. This is a really remarkable cleaner. It harnesses the power of oxygen and enzymes to offer a really nice comprehensive solution for both our laundry problems and household cleaning jobs. So we can say goodbye to all those nasty, tough stains, maybe